Hey guys, so how you guys been? Anyway, don't mind the messy hair and the shirt that has too much cat hair on it. Anyway, I want to show you guys what my animals look like and what the name is and so on, because you guys never seen my animals. Well, you have. I think it was maybe 3 years ago, 4 years ago, something like that. But alright, let me show you guys the animals. Yeah, this is Callie. She is very unhappy, but she is the love of my life. Yeah, you can hear her go. Okay. So yeah, this is B and Boo. Yeah. They're really good kitty cats. What, you want to get down? Yeah? Okay. Okay, I just put you down. Callie, be nice. But yeah, those are my kitty cats. Well, that's all. Love you guys.